Electrification is coming to the Vauxhall Astra. The new 8th generation model is already offered with a plug-in hybrid variant for the first time, and next year a full EV will join the range. The newest generation of the Astra hatchback is already rolling off the assembly line in Rüsselsheim. Now Opel is following up with the estate model variant, the all-new Astra Sports Tourer, available in Germany for prices starting at €27,750. The newcomer will be available with 2 levels of plug-in hybrid electric drive, making it the German carmaker's first electrified estate. The new Astra Sports Tourer also continues Opel's successful tradition of compact estates, which began around 60 years ago with the Kadett Caravan, the first such car in this class from a German brand. In addition to electric drive, the new Astra Sports Tourer will be available with highly efficient petrol and diesel engines. Power ranges from 110 horsepower to 130 horsepower with the petrol and diesel variants, and currently up to 180 horsepower and later up to 225 horsepower system output with the electric plug-in hybrid variants. The boot of the new Astra Sports Tourer provides up to around 600 liters of useful storage space with the rear seat backs upright, and up to 1,634 liters when folded. Even with their underfloor lithium-ion battery, the plug-in hybrid variants still offer handy cargo volumes of more than 516 liters and 1,553 liters respectively. The boot volume of combustion engine variants is optimized with the optional IntelliSpace. This versatile load floor can be easily adjusted with only one hand to high and low positions, and parked at a 45-degree angle. In addition, for even higher convenience, the retractable boot storage cover can be stowed when the adjustable floor is in both the upper as well as the lower position. Together with its 5-door hatchback sibling, the exceptionally stylish Astra Sports Tourer is a true design statement and Opel's first estate to interpret the brand's bold and pure design philosophy. But despite all the emotion, the new Sports Tourer retains the strengths and practicality of its predecessors. Furthermore, the new Astra Sports Tourer is optionally available with 2-tone paint. The contrasting roof color makes the newcomer look even leaner and longer. The Opel visor new brand face follows the Opel compass where the vertical and horizontal axes, the sharp crease in the hood and the wing-shaped graphic of the daylight running lamps intersect with the Opel Blitz emblem in the middle. Stretching across the front, the visor also seamlessly integrates technologies such as the adaptive IntelliLux LED pixel light headlamps and the front camera. The glare-free system with 168 LED elements comes from the Opel flagships Insignia and Grandland and is a class-leading feature among compact and mid-size cars. Viewed from the side, the Astra Sports Tourer looks especially dynamic, while at the rear, the Opel compass is repeated by the centrally mounted Blitz, the vertically aligned high-mounted brake lamp and the especially slim LED tail lamps. The Astra could fare better when it comes to cabin quality, however. Main touch points such as the leather steering wheel, gear lever and door handles all feel premium enough, but far too many surfaces are made of hard plastic and the center console's piano black finish is easily marked. The fully digital pure panel human-machine interface offers customers a pure intuitive experience. Operation is via an extra-wide touchscreen, just like a smartphone. Important settings such as climate control can still be selected directly via just a few switches. The new generation of multimedia infotainment and connectivity systems can be connected to wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto via compatible smartphones. The driver is also supported by state-of-the-art assistance systems, such as IntelliHUD head-up display and IntelliDrive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.